Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. For today's video, I wanted to make this skirt that I saw on Instagram. I'll put a picture of it right here. When I saw it, I was like, I can probably make this. I was gonna buy it, but I was like, nah, there goes my ice machine. I was like, nah, let me sit down and try to make it. So this video will not be a tutorial. This video is a crochet with me. I'll be showing you guys my process of making this skirt instead of a detailed tutorial. And the only reason it won't be a tutorial is because I've never made it before. I'm literally making it off the top of my head, so I'm not even sure what it will look like in the end, or if it will even be cute or wearable. We're not sure yet. And I'll probably be making a pattern for it as well. If I do make a pattern for it, the link to the pattern will be in the description box. But before we begin, you know I gotta take care of the housekeeping. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, because come on now, why not? Why not?
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
It's free and it helps me. So you might as well go ahead and subscribe and turn your notification bell on as well, so that you get notified every time that I post. So here are the colors that I'm going to be using for the skirt, because I'm not going to be using the same exact colors that are in the picture. Going to be using this pink color called Hot Rose, another like peachy pink, it's called Tropical Pink. Then we have pink, which is literally just regular pink. We have soft pink. I have mango. I don't know why this is coming up pink, but this is actually orange. And then last but not least, we have a light taupe. I'm not really sure how you say that. Correct me in the comments if you want to. But this is what we'll be using to join all the granny squares together. And oh my God, my AC is turning on. It seems like in every video, like, it's not an Anne's Closet video if the AC is not on. I'm not getting up to turn it off either. I'm not, because I was almost done with this intro. I'll also be using a size 5mm crochet hook. I'm also gonna throw in this mint color. I think it's called mint. I'm gonna throw this in for a little pop, because I just felt like it was way too many shades of pink and I needed something to break it up. I'm thinking about making a matching top too. If I do make a matching top, there will be a part 2 to this video, and I'll show you guys how I made the top. Well, I'll do another crochet with me of me making the top. But yeah, this one is the skirt, just the skirt by itself. Jade from the future here. I realized while editing that I said I was gonna make 2 parts, one for the skirt and one for the top. And I completely did not do that. I actually put everything in one video. So the skirt and the top are both in this video. I have no clue why I thought I was gonna be making 2 separate videos when I know I didn't want to do that. So I didn't. Okay, back to the video. So this is my plan. Oh my gosh, ignore my nails, please. Oh.
Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
Oh no. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. So this is my raggedy little plan or whatever. It's nonsensical 100%, but I know I need 9 squares for the front and 9 granny squares for the back. So these will be my 9 color combinations. I'm not using as many colors as they used in the original skirt. I'm actually only using about 7 colors, and I think in the original skirt they used 9, but these will be my color combinations for this skirt. Now we just got to jump right in and start making the granny squares, which I don't even think I've ever made a granny square before, so I'm definitely gonna have to watch a YouTube tutorial. So yeah. So I just sat here and made all of these squares, and it's like 1 o'clock in the morning, so I'm gonna clock out and get back to it tomorrow. It's literally like 2 o'clock in the morning. You can hear the crickets probably in the background. I got my head tie on because it's 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm gonna be real because I don't look put together at 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm whispering because my boyfriend and my dog are asleep, but I'm about to continue crocheting. I finished all of Granny Squares. Here are all of the Granny Squares that I just finished. I'm trying to decide if I want to weave in my ends or if I want to start making a matching top, because they'll also kind of, they're not granny squares, but they'll be granny triangles. I might as well just go ahead and start on the top and then weave in those ends all together. I don't know. I'll probably start on the top. Does anyone else get this urge to crochet at like 2 o'clock in the morning? It can't just be me. It is 2:16 a.m. I finished one piece of the bra cup for the top that I'm gonna make that matches the skirt. And I'm clocking out, y'all. I'm clocking out. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Ignore the fact that my edges aren't done. I got my gym clothes on because I'm about to get ready to go to the gym, and who's putting on edges to go to the gym? So I just looked at that top that I made last night, this piece of the top, and honestly, y'all, whose titty was I making this for? Like, look at this. Ooh, y'all. What? Who was I making this for?
You're so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
What? This is what happens when you crochet at 3 a.m. after having a glass of Jack Daniels and lemonade, okay? Because I made this, I clearly was having wishful thinking. Like, I clearly was thinking that, you know, eventually we would grow into this. But this is way too big for me, and I also hate it. Like, I don't think it's cute. I don't know if I like the mint. I don't like the fact that I used double crochets all here and then like split it up here. I don't like this. So you know what? We're gonna do something different today. It's my gym fit. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna do something different today because this is not cute. So it's a few days later. I had to take a few days to, you know, get my hair done or whatever. But I just finished the cups for the top that I'll be making to match the skirt. They look way better than that last thing I made. I don't know whose boob I was making that last one for, but this is more like it. So I'm going to connect these two triangle pieces and add some straps. I'm gonna attach all the granny squares together and finish the skirt, and then we'll try everything on, and that should be, it's a bug. And that should be the end of the video. So yeah, let's finish this two-piece because honestly, I'm tired of crocheting it. It's been taking 4 days. This was supposed to be a 2-day project at most.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad!
The time has finally come for me to show you guys what the outfit looks like. And I'm so happy because it came out so good. Come on now. Body good. Everything good.
My body good. Everything good.
Come on. Get into it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I couldn't be happier, y'all. Like, honestly, I couldn't be any happier that this came out so good because it could have been a fail. It could have been a fail, but it really, really wasn't.